Hey guys, how are you doing this evening? Coming to you again. This time I'm making some lamb. I had it marinating. It was probably marinating for about 35 minutes or so. It's that right there. I've got A1 steak sauce. Don't want to dump it out. It's A1 steak sauce. As you see, there's some raspberries. The raspberries are for added flavor, and then they're full of antioxidants. So I got that in there. I'm going to throw in a little bit of my mind for seasoning, and then I'm going to throw in a little bit of garlic, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven. It recommends about 35 minutes. So I'll probably check it after 30. See what the temperature is. I got me a thermometer here. I'll check it with the thermometer. See what the temp is. You want the temp at 165 degrees or above. After that, I'm going to dive right on into it. I was thinking about throwing some of my Pepsi in it, but I probably won't. But you can marinate in Pepsi, or you could marinate in Dr. Pepper. And all that does basically is give it a little bit of added flavor. It's not a big deal, but I'm not going to do it for this demonstration. Like I said, all I've got in there is the A1 steak sauce, liquid smoke. Let me show you that. I've got the liquid smoke. Put some of that in there. I'm going to use coconut oil. I'm going to bake it. I'm going to bake it in that. I've got my aluminum foil. I'm going to wrap it in aluminum foil and bake it in the oven. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to get the coconut oil on the aluminum foil, and I might throw in some butter. Do a little bit of butter on there. Basically, all the butter's for is to help it brown a little bit, and it gives it a little bit of flavor. But that will be my lamb recipe, and it is going to be absolutely delicious. Now, the best thing to do is actually let it marinate for 24 hours. If you want it really tender and really to soak in the flavors, that's the recommended time. I'm just not doing 24 hours because it's going to be my dinner. I want me some lamb. It is absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to eat some up. Let me see. Let me see if I can just lean you up on this. That way you can see me actually put the stuff in it. Grab me a spoon here for my garlic. I like garlic. Garlic is very healthy for you. That's right here by the phone. Hopefully I don't knock my phone over. So you put the garlic in, and this will help it kind of steam the aluminum foil. It will help it kind of steam. But you get your butter. I'll probably use 2 tablespoons. That would be enough. And I don't have much coconut oil left, so I will probably use the rest of this up. I don't have much in here left. I'm gonna have to get me some more. I may have some up in my cupboard. I'll have to check. I don't know if this was my last one or not. Let me see here. I'm gonna look at my cupboard here. See if I got some more. Nope, sure don't. That is it. I do have a little bit of olive oil though. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in there since I didn't have all that much coconut oil. Basically all this does is give it a good flavor, and it will help it kind of steam inside the aluminum foil. So we're going to do that. Like I said, we're going to put the mind in there. A little bit of that. Actually, I'm going to sprinkle it on this itself. And then it will... You don't want to use much. It don't take much. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And that will cook in that, see? Make it really good. That's that. That's that. That's that. That can go up there. Throw in a little bit of this seasoning salt here. Got the seasoning salt. Throw that in there. So I'm going to put it on it. There we go. That will make it absolutely amazing. Okay, so put this. Get this out of the way. Now I could just dump it on there. I could get it out with a fork. I mean, any way you want to do it. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to kind of dump it on there. Like so. See, that is the marinade stuff. And with lamb, you want to cook it with the net on it. It will hold it together. And then after it's cooked, you can rip this off. I mean, I could rip it off now, but they recommend that you leave it on so that it stays together better. I'm going to wrap it in the aluminum foil. In fact, I'm going to get me another piece and go over top of it. That way it's covered. And basically what the aluminum foil does is it acts like a steamer, kind of. And so what it will make it really moist and tender. Now another thing you can do is you could do wood chips inside there and it would smoke. You'd have the smoking, but we're not going to do that. Since I'm in an apartment, I don't need the fire alarm going off. Don't need the fire alarm. Okay, so that's that. Goes in the oven and we're ready to go. Okay, I will talk to you after it is completely done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And in the description below, I will go through the ingredients. That way you know what is in it